So today I ASMR. Spreading the box open, you will see a very beautiful spread of Akira comics. This is not the 1988 critically acclaimed Japanese animated post-apocalyptic cyberpunk action film by Katsuhiro Otomo based on his 1982 manga. Don't be Confucius. Under the left flap, you will firstly get the Aero Active Cooler 5, which will make you feel cooler walking around with such a thick package like a cabbage. But I think this cooler got RGB, which we all know will add 69 times more FPS no matter what's your game. Then you get a USB-C charging cable that is braided. Why? Because gamer. And a black charging adapter with ROG on it because again, gamer. Walao, why this flap keep on closing? MCO lockdown already over, you don't know, man? You sleeping, huh? And finally, we get 3 packs of rubber for you to cover all your ports so they won't accidentally get moist. Next, under the right flap, you will see the phone, which I will tease first, don't want open. Why? Like this, only you will do to diam wait for the climax. Then I need to show you the tray, because also got ROG on it. Why? Cause I like, so you should like. Trust my bangsawan taste lah. Then we got a box. Within a box. Boxception. Inside the boxception, you get a super tiny key for your SIMs. I mean your SIM card and a bunch of paper that you just bought with paper from your wallet. Huh? Wow, like recycling. The case looks quite thin and sleek, kinda like Princess Leia's outfit. Also don't know what it's supposed to protect. Hi. Finally, we have the phone itself. Honestly, this phone actually look quite chunky. Someone behind got a screen in case you want to scream to the whole world that you have a gaming phone. For the full review, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram if you like to come and sembang with us all the time because I like to talk. As you can see, I talk non-stop. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Wait a minute, this video somehow got secret level hidden content, mostly cause I forgot to unbox the RGB case that ROG sent together like a side dish. It is called a lightning armor case. Why armor must got lightning? I also don't know. Probably because scared the enemy cannot see you, must flash them a little bit. But this is probably more protective than the one that came in the box lah. I recommend this for people who like it more. Halal, tutup a bit, like this only mysterious man.